Good evening. Anything that we discuss today is going to be for educational purposes. I'd like to welcome you all to Digital Trading Floor. It's a platform where we disseminate financial data in real time to provide actionable insights using live streaming technologies. The purpose for making this video is to analyze Nifty options, open interest data. We would be analyzing Nifty on multiple time frames and we would be framing a view for tomorrow, that is 2nd March. Apart from the index, we would be also discussing our stock watch list. So let's start by analyzing options, open interest data. So these are the 4th March weekly expiry contract. The max pain level is at 14,800. So max pain level tells us that if market was to expire at 14,800 level, in that scenario, majority of option buyers are going to suffer huge losses, as we all know that large percentage of options, they expire worthless. If we analyze the open interest data, you will see that highest amount of calls have been written at 15,000 strike and highest amount of puts have been written at 14,500 strike. So this gives us a broad range for this weekly expiry contract of 500 points of 14,500 to 15,000. And if you were to see what happened intraday today, you will see that today we saw open interest in calls being reduced in 14,500 strike, in 14,600 strike. So it tells us that call option buyers, they have booked their profits, and call option writers, they have booked their losses. And you will see that highest amount of calls have been written at 14,800 strike, followed by 14,900 strike. And if we see the puts, highest amount of puts have been written at 14,700 strike, followed by 14,400 strike. So going forward, 14,500 is likely to act as a strong support area for the markets, and to the upside, based on this broad range, we get 15,000 level with resistances at 14,800 and 14,900, basically at 100-point differentials. Now we are going to be analyzing Nifty on multiple time frames. We have to remember that today 3 multiple time frames opened: the monthly candle opening, the weekly candle opening, as well as the daily candle opening. They are going to be the same, and 14,702 is the monthly open as well as this week's open. So right now what we are basically forming an inside weekly candlestick, and in terms of price structure, we are now making lower lows and lower highs, and this weekly candle is currently under control of buyers, and we are forming an inside week, which you can see as well that we are currently also forming an inside daily candle. And as you all know, inside candles are formed when there's an equilibrium between both the buyers and the sellers. So we'll look for buying opportunity only above, if market breaks today's highs above 14,807 odd levels, and on the flip side below 14,638 we'll look for selling opportunities in the index. And based on the daily time frame, we get the following scenario for tomorrow: above 14,761 we can trade towards today's highs, which is 14,806, and on breaking of the highs we can potentially trade towards 14,908 levels. And on the flip side, below 14,677 we can trade towards today's lows, which is 14,638, and if we manage to break the lows, we can potentially trade towards 14,536 levels. And we are in a neutral range of 14,761 to 14,677 for tomorrow. If price remains in the neutral price range, we will not be making any trades on the index. And as it's an inside candle on the daily time frame, we'll look to break out on either side of the range to establish our positions. Our stock watch list for tomorrow comprises of Cadila Healthcare, IGL, Cipla, and Canara Bank. So in Cadila Healthcare, we'll look for buying opportunity above 438.5 or selling opportunity below 430.3. And in IGL, we'll look for buying opportunity above 501 or we'll look for selling opportunity below 490.2. Our third stock is Cipla. We'll look for buying opportunity above 800.6 or selling opportunity below 781.9. And our final stock is going to be Canara Bank. We look for buying opportunity above 160 or selling opportunity below 155. So you will notice that all these stocks are daily candles, uh, are inside candles on the daily time frame. So as I've explained earlier as well, inside candles are formed when there's an equilibrium between both the buyers and the sellers. So we'll look for breakout in either side of the range to establish positions, else we'll not be making any trades if price trades in between the inside candles high-low range tomorrow as well. I would like to summarize that tomorrow above 14,761 we can potentially trade towards 14,806 and 14,851 and finally 14,908 levels. And if we break the inside candle to the downside, we can potentially trade towards 14,536 levels. But for that, we need to first trade below 14,677, 14,638, and finally we can potentially reach our levels which we have mentioned earlier, 14,536. And based on the overall open interest data, we are in a broad range of 500 points of 15,000 to 14,500. And the max pain level for this weekly expiry is currently at 14,800. And our stock watch list comprises of inside candlesticks on the daily time frame. The stocks are Canara Bank, Cadila Healthcare, Cipla and IGL. I would like to thank you all for watching this video. Do hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to Digital Trading Flow YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.